Hello! We have a new package to unbox. This time it's a little bit different, so let's get into it. I'm sorry, honey. Loki is our guest today. Okay, here we go. It's again a package from Splendid. I have ordered some different things though, and some of the same things. So let's see. We have a cute little card and a booklet. I'll write down the website in the description along with all the social media links. We have some paper. And more paper. And then we have this. So let's start with the obvious things. I bought a little roller. Once we've seen everything that's in here, it will make sense where this is for. Oh, can I get it to open? Yes. A little knife for lino cutting. Can I get it to close again? Yes. Oh, this is heavy. Packaging is so cute. I don't want to ruin the stickers. Hopla. A few blocks for lino cutting. I ordered different ones because I have no clue what I should have. These were the cheapest. Then let's open this. I love these birds. We have a gouache. And then we have two things left. So I will just remove the box to make the cat happy. Okay, so I will first open these. Last time I ordered a lot of pencils and I was really happy with them. So I ordered some more, but with some more brighter colors because I all had muted tones. And with these, I hope I have a full range. So we're gonna swatch them in a sec. Then we have two beautiful packages left with feathers on them. I didn't think she was gonna send me this because I thought the price was a mistake on the website. It was way cheaper than I imagined, but she did, so thank you. We have this one. I'm all out of these. I use them a lot. It's A5 300 GSM hot pressed artist paper. The G100 GSM is like manageable. It's still very expensive, but it's manageable. You also have the 600 or 640, I don't know, GSM. That's too much for me. I haven't even tried it, but it's supposed to be really good. And we have a block of paper as well. I love this. It's 23 by 31 centimeters or 9 by 12 inch, which sounds more logical. It's also the 300 GSM and it's a block, so it's glued on all sides. I have another block like this and I cannot get rid of the black glue, so I will see how we will do that. I'm very happy to have a little bit of a larger format here. Okay, so we have the paper, we have lino cutting stuff, which I really wanted to try out, so maybe in a future video, but I'm gonna try and see if I can make anything out of this. We have a gouache and we have the pencils, so we'll just lay this aside. Get a little sketchbook with terrible paper, but it will do for swatching, and swatch what we have. This is a leaf green gouache by Holbein. because I just wanted to have something bright within all the other colors, and I thought it was a good color for that. The paper is slightly yellow, so I'm not sure if this will give a right representation of the color. I really like, gosh, this brand. Last time was the first time I tried it, and I directly ordered more, so that says something. So there we go. It's a beautiful green color. I'm not sure if the lighting is good because I'm downstairs because my husband is away, so I dipped the whole living room. And then we have these colors. So this is what's your name? Orange Glaze by Faber-Castell. They're all by Faber-Castell. I have a warm yellow, dark cadmium yellow, and a cooler yellow. And I thought these were really nice for autumn. And this is more creamy texture. Or not texture, but color. And the color is cream, so no, good guesses. Then we have a brighter green. It's light green. I was hoping it was more like this color. It's hard when picking out things online. But it's slightly more blue, but I still like it. Then we have two blues and a purple. This is a brighter blue, light cobalt turquoise, so in Dutch is turquoise, but it's turquoise and helio turquoise. Ooh, this is a very pretty color. And then we have the violet. Ta-da! So I'm not sure what I'm gonna make with that, but I will just add it to my other pencils that I have here. Looks like a lot. It's quite a lot. But my pencils break sometimes because they have to come in the mail. There's no store nearby that sells them. And it's my lifetime collection, so it's not that. You see they have all kind of the same colors. There's a few brighter ones, but most of them have the same kind of tones. So while adding this, it will give way more violet. So, okay, that was all for today. Let me show you the colors once more. I think they're slightly better visible this way. It was a small unboxing. I'm just super excited for the Lino stuff. I'm gonna try and design a stamp. I'm not sure what to design because mostly I paint animals, but like realistic animals, and I can't cut. I don't know how to do this. So I think it's gonna be a stretch to make a realistic animal stamp out of this. So maybe something a bit more folksy. We'll see. And that's all. So thank you so much for watching. Loki does not want to say goodbye, I think. No, he's in deep slumber. Okay, thanks for watching and goodbye. See you next time. Loki. Hello. You want to at least open your eyes for the people? No? No? Here we go. No. Okay. I will leave you then. Sorry, folks. Hi, just a little bit extra. I just wanted to add this. This is my first time trying the Lino. I designed something for a zine that I will be making in the future. And I'm trying out my first print of this. So I just wanted to show you. I got some block prints. I have it in red and in black. So this is my first time trying it out. I searched some videos. I know not to mix any broader than the roller is. So I'm just smoothing it out real good. And then trying it out. I'm using the same terrible paper as I did for swatching. And we'll see how it gets. I did try it once before, like you can see on the other page here, but I had to cut out way more because it was all showing up. So this is another proof print. And I hope in the future I will be able to make more of these and sell them in my shop with the zine. It's a zine about mental health that I want to make. So yeah, just a little extra. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.